Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Trend Radar. Some very scary things are happening in the world. I just made a video on Nepal and the mud flood happening in Nepal and China border. And now we've actually come to learn from TMZ. There's an article here from TMZ that Tim Curry is dead at the age of 80 years old. If we just look at this, it is Rocky Horror star Tim Curry dead at 80. And the legendary film and TV actor best known for playing Dr. Frank-N-Furter in the cult classic The Rocky Horror Picture has died, TMZ has learned. Sources tell TMZ the actor, who had been plagued with serious health issues for more than a decade, passed away late Tuesday night at Los Angeles, in his home at Los Angeles. Law enforcement sources tell TMZ police responded to his house at 11:23 p.m. Tuesday night. We're told there's no foul play suspected in the case. And Tim got his start in Hollywood in the late 1960s before catching his big break in the Rocky Horror Picture. And while initially ignored by critics, the film developed a second life as a cultural event in the midnight movie space. Yeah, so fans may also recognize him as the terrifying clown in one of the movies. So yeah, the thing is, we still don't know. And he was a part of Home Alone. I don't know if you guys have seen this face in Home Alone Part Two, but I do remember this scene in a hotel when Kevin escaped from his home. Sorry, he missed the flight and he actually started living in a hotel. So he was playing this role of a waiter, I guess, in that movie as well. Last year, around the time he released his memoir, Vagabond, Tim stated he was still unable to walk. So there has been a lot going on. But yeah, rest in peace. This is quite shocking news. And I do hope that the family gets a lot of strength to endure it, such a great actor's death in this world. There has not been any sources as to why exactly it was. I think it is more of a natural death. I mean, at 80 years old, I think it's a human span timing nowadays that at 80, 60, 70, that's just pretty much where human beings can reach. If you make it to 90, that's a big deal nowadays. But even at 80 years old, you can expect a lot of problem and health issues with that age. And yeah, if you guys want to follow Trend Radar for more information like this, if you want to stay up to date with everything that is happening around the world, see you with the next video.